Come on, Billy. Let's go, Billy. Is there any hair more? Is there any more in it? Ouch.
Technical difficulties. There's hair up here.
Oh. How did he get hair on there? It's okay.
It's fake hair.
Fake hair? How did fake hair get in there? Do you still go to Roosevelt?
I go to Jefferson.
Oh, yeah. Still can't fly. Come on, Billy. Billy. Dude.
Here, come on. I need some light. I
Billy.
need good light.
Billy, what the world is wrong with you? And Billy, what the world is wrong with me? Still won't fly.
Even with none of the hair in it?
Yep.
I want to see how long. So on, and this like slip slash face right.
This is some
Oh, I only use this button for emergencies, so you better work.
It's not even hovering. It knows a lot of windows. You get what?
It does that much.
Alright, let me try and put it in the air. Okay, stop. Stop or I will kill you, dog.
It's Billy.
Pick me up.
Set the controller down over there. Roll it. Set it down.
I shut it off. It takes a minute for it to reconnect to it.
Okay, so where do we want to put it? Right here?
No.
Nope, you gotta hold it. You have to hold it, you idiot.
Here.
Let go.
No, hold it like this, yeah. Hold it like that. It won't slice your face.
Hopefully. Let it go. Let it fly, Bob.
Bob, you're so screwed up.
What the heck happened to Bob? Billy! I think our wreck, the 2 wrecks that we made for him, he like sort of cowered down.
Let me see. We put him on the charger for like 20 minutes and then we'll come back up.
Isn't that